Hey, like, comment, subscribe. I'm Mr. COPABULL.
We in South Carolina, and before all my space run out, they got ice everywhere. Look, ice on the trees, ice on the gate, and there's a power line that came down in the middle of the road. I don't know if you guys can see that. And so we've been sitting here for a while until these people could get the power line up. They got to cut the transformer off. And then, so the line's not hot. But there's ice everywhere. It's dropping off everything, y'all. They had an ice storm come through here. But we on our way to the crib. This is it, y'all. So this the end of it. Y'all not gonna see nothing else. My phone is maxed out on video, so shit. We not doing nothing, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Just so y'all know, it is bad on our way back home, but we successfully dropped the pups off. Yeah, we make it spectacular. Alright, but yeah, man, we gotta be safe. You guys see it. And that's on most of the state. So we're down there in that sunshine, beautiful 80-degree weather, and now we gotta ride through this stuff, guys. I'm saying we going like 25 miles an hour. We got 5 hours left.
No, I ain't even going. We just
Yeah, y'all probably can't tell, but see, everything is snow and iced over. We drove through a bunch of snow last night, man. We almost make it home, man. Slow and steady. We've been able to go 30 to 40 miles an hour. Highway got shut down, so it took us an alternate route. So 7 hours of it has been through the back of the mountains, back hills, and it's been crazy, but this is the type of stuff that we go through, so y'all can see some content. Man, look, y'all can't even tell how deep the snow is, but it's deep, yeah. We gotta figure out how to get in it. Alright, guys, so we made it home safe. So I want to show you guys how deep. Whoa, damn. I want to show you how deep. Now you wanna be all out and about. Let's see how deep this snow is, y'all. That's what I'm interested in. We get home. Let's see how deep it is. So 6 inches. We got 6 inches of snow. Y'all see that? 6 inches in that spot. Let's go over here by the car and see how much snow fell. We're gonna check the tire treads. Where the tire, yeah. Let's see. So yeah, about 6 inches, yeah. See, look. So yeah, 6 inches it is. Mazzy, come on. Mazzy King. There's something over there. She chasing it. Let me show you where the money at. The money with drip. Come on. Come on. Let she drinking water. Uh-oh. They all happy to see us, letting some of them out. Look at Dirty Butt over there. And so Honey is probably by far the best structured one out of the whole litter. Ooh. They moving so fast, y'all. We just got back and they just excited. Come on.
Majesty.
So yeah, Honey right there, she's probably the best structured one. She looks just like her mama. So to answer your question, the boots definitely work out here. They're not gonna let me show them off. They just so excited. So we just got back.
Hey, check it out. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, I'm Mr. COPABULL.
COPABULL, boy, COPABULL. What a red demon with an old English. With a bad chick, speak old English. Dopamine, I mean Doberman. Paperwork, you need your giant hand. Trustworthy to a blind man. Unstoppable, come COPABULL. Do the I done it dance. I just can't do the running man, but I can run with my Doberman. I can run with no hands. I can run with one hand. Low price be the best price, but quality keep it looking right. And you know that it's looking nice. North side to the east side, south side to the west side. COPABULL on any side. COPABULL up in any state. Yeah, COPABULL pull up at your place. Metathor, couple Labrador. If you love bulls, this is what it's for. Unstoppable, come a COPABULL.